Hey everybody, it's Mark with Sunshine Rentals with your service tip of the week. This is number 2 in an ongoing series based on popular demand. I'm going to talk today about our curated wellness kits. You can see them over here on my right. We have our basic kit, our Bath Body Works kit, as well as our archive kit. These are our pre-configured kits, but we also are more than happy to make custom kits for our partners, and we have done a lot of custom kits in the last few weeks. They can be very simple kits where they can include masks, gloves, hand sanitizer wipes. These things are super cool. We actually use these internally. There's a little towelette inside, and we wipe the lock boxes and the keys. We're finding this is a very effective way to sanitize those items, as it's a very strong rubbing alcohol, but it's ready to go in the field. You just tear it open and you're good to go. We have some amazing, really cool hand sanitizer that we're stocking. We like the travel sizes on all these things. The idea is that when people do arrive at their corporate apartment, this gives them something to take to their office or take out in the field when they go grocery shopping or something like that. We also have a lot of folks asking for cleaning kits, so we can provide our Ecolab peroxide cleaner, microfiber towels, as well as the normal mop, broom, dustpan that are already in the units, glass cleaner, furniture polish. If you want to go to that extreme, we're happy to provide that. I'm not a big fan of disinfecting wipes, and the reason I'm not a fan is these things have to be on the surface for about 4 minutes for them to actually kill a virus, but a lot of people like them, so we're happy to provide them. It's not about what Mark likes, it's about what the guests are looking for. And the whole idea behind these things is to give the guests that may not be comfortable with a housekeeper coming in the ability to clean their apartment and not fight to go find a good quality disinfectant. So whether it's a cleaning kit or our wellness kits, Sunshine Rentals is at your service. Thank you for listening. We hope you have a great week.